Good morning, everybody. Miss Denisa here. Today we will have a math lesson, lesson 12.1, sort two-dimensional shapes. Remember in chapter 11 we talked about three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. So in chapter 12 we will learn about two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes. Let's see what we will learn in this lesson.
How can you use attributes to classify and sort two-dimensional shapes?
So in this lesson, we will learn about types of attributes that we will use to classify and sort two-dimensional shapes, yes? Attribute words that describe.
Devin wants to sort these shapes to show a group of triangles and a group of rectangles. These are two-dimensional shapes. They're also called flat shapes or plane shapes.
So how do you call these two-dimensional shapes? Flat or plane.
How are the shapes alike and different? You can sort them into red shapes and blue shapes, or into shapes with 3 sides and 4 sides, or into open shapes and closed shapes.
So until now we had three types of attributes that we can use to classify. We can classify the shapes by color, red or blue, by number of sides, 3 sides or 4 sides, or by their type, if they are open or closed. You can see here these are open shapes. Look, and on the other side we have closed shapes.
Devin wants to sort them into triangles and rectangles. Are there some shapes that aren't triangles or rectangles? Yes, the open shapes aren't triangles or rectangles because their sides aren't closed. Select the open shapes to cross them out, then click check.
Let's select them. Let's select the ones that are open. This one, and this one. Double check. Do we have another one? No, this is it. So let's check.
Can you sort by color to show a group of triangles and a group of rectangles? No, rectangles and triangles would be in both groups. Can you sort by size to show a group of triangles and a group of rectangles? No, rectangles and triangles would be in both groups. How can you sort and classify a group of triangles and a group of rectangles? By the shape. The triangles are closed shapes with 3 sides, and the rectangles are closed shapes with 4 sides. Click each triangle and rectangle to sort them.
So this is a triangle.
Triangle.
This is a rectangle.
Rectangle.
What is this? Triangle.
Triangle.
What is this?
Triangle.
And this one?
Rectangle.
And the last one?
Rectangle. There are 3 triangles and 3 rectangles.
Now, let's see the last part.
Here are some ways to sort two-dimensional shapes. In the first group, the shapes are different colors and different sizes, so they weren't sorted by color or size. All the shapes are closed. What else is true about these shapes?
So if you look here, how are the shapes? They are curved. Let's see if Miss Denisa is right.
The shapes are all curved. They're all circles. In the second group, the shapes are different colors and different sizes, so they weren't sorted by color or size. All the shapes are closed. How many sides does each shape have? Drag the correct number into the blank, then click check.
I know you already know, but let's see. 1, 2, 3. So triangles have 3 sides. Let's drag it and let's check.
That's right. Each of these shapes has 3 sides. All these shapes are closed shapes with 3 sides. They're all triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, or corners. In the third group, the shapes are different colors and different sizes, so they weren't sorted by color or size. All the shapes are closed. How many vertices or corners does each shape have? Drag the correct number into the blank, then click check.
So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's drag number 4 here. These are the sides and these are the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check.
That's it. All these closed shapes have 4 vertices or corners. They are all rectangles. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices or corners. A square is a special kind of rectangle. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length.
So let's see again. How can we describe circles? They are curved and closed shapes. You can repeat with me. Curved and closed shapes. What about triangles? They are closed shapes with 3 sides. 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 vertices, 1, 2, and 3. So closed shapes with 3 sides. And what about rectangles? They are closed shapes too, but with 4 vertices and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 vertices or corners. And remember, a square is a special rectangle because it has equal sides. Yes, they are the same length. Good job, my dears. Now, let's go to our book and let's try to see here 2 exercises. Read the sorting rule. Circle the shapes that follow the rule. So, let's read the sorting rule. What is the sorting rule for exercise number 1? 4 vertices. Yes, vertices are corners where the sides meet. Look here in this little cloud. Vertices. Corners are where the sides meet. Yes, this side meets with this side and it has a corner here. So let's check all the shapes here that have 4 vertices. This rectangle, it has 4 vertices. Yes, this one indeed, and this one. These 3 shapes, they are all sorted by 4 vertices. And let's see also exercise number 2. What is the sorting rule? Not curved. So we have to circle all the shapes that are not curved. So what do you think? What do you know? Is a triangle a curved form? No, it's not curved. So we have the triangle. The same, we have the square and another triangle and another rectangle. Very good. All these shapes are not curved. Okay, my dears, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let me know if you have questions. Take care, wash your hands, and see you next time. Bye-bye.